So, bro. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It's very simple. You just mix it up first. Alright, it's pretty mixed up. Okay, first thing you want to do is the cross. And to get the cross, you want to pair up a corner piece like that. You got one blue side and one white side. I'm going to solve it on the white side. So basically, I'm just going to do that. So I just pair up like this. Now, I'm not really showing you how to do it. I'm just showing you some tips how to do it. It's pretty simple, actually. And here, that's the cross. You got a whole cross, and you see each edge like that, is paired up. Now you want to make the first layer, which includes this part, this part, this part, and so on. And to do that, you just do this. Pretty simple, actually. Okay, now I just went ahead a step and I made the second layer, and then now you want to make the top layer. Well, you want to pair up these things first, so I'm going to do that by doing this. Okay, now I have almost the whole cube, and then I just gotta do these two corner pieces. And by doing that, I will solve the cube. Okay, this is gonna be me. I'm gonna speed solve this as quickly as I can. This is a random solve, so I'm not gonna, like, you know, I'm not gonna cheat or anything. I'm not an asshole like that. Alright. Now I have a perfectly scrambled cube, so I'm just gonna solve it. Start the timer. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, I'm done, yes!